All right, everybody, what are we talking about today? That is going to be X300 versus X300. So right here on the 19, you can see these have been safety checked. That's why the triggers are pulled. So on the 19, that is the X300 Turbo, and then on the 34 is the X300. And this is an older one, so this is a 600 lumen versus 650 lumen. But I think this one comes in around 15,000 candela. This one comes in at 66,000. So not exactly a fair comparison, but it'll be interesting to see, what you'll get with an older Surefire versus a newer one, right? So let's check it out. So we'll start off close here. This is the X300U with 600 lumen and 15,000 candela. So you can see it has a nice little hot spot. And then we'll go over to the fence line. You can see it kind of washes out a bit, but it still has a pretty good hot spot. We're talking about 10 yards over here, and then it goes on out to about 25. Now, let's compare that to the Turbo. So you can see the Turbo's hotspot is smaller, but it's brighter, right? So let's look at it at about 10 yards. And you can see it on out, 15 out there at the fence line is 25 yards. Now let's bring in the regular X300U. And it kind of happens, or it kind of looks the same as when I did the Glock GTL2, right? So you can see the hot spot of the Turbo is very bright versus, the lack of a hot spot from the original, or one of the older ones, not the original. But anyway, so X300 Turbo is this one, and the regular is this one. So that's all I got for you. Thank y'all.